and welcome back to the Sphinx Part 2. Now, there's still a lot of animals everywhere, and yesterday, I started on this. So, in the final video, I'm actually going to need to fix some things like the neck. It's kind of, really thick right now. So in the last video, I'll be definitely making some improvements, but now I'm going to stop wasting time, and I'm going to finish this. So, you're going to go to the back, and you're going to extend it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then you're going to extend. So you're going to keep going right here. Like this. And you're going to extend the whole entire back by 20. So, you're just going to keep on going. Oh, no, it doesn't go like this. And you're going to keep on going until it goes all the way over there. So, I'll cut back to when I have all of this finished. Alright, I'm back, and the back should look like this after it's finished. Sure, extend it all by 20, and once it looks like this, you can move on to the next step. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring it in by 1. And then you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 5 more than that row right there. And then what you're going to do from here is you're going to do basically the same thing, but it's all just going to be in by 1. So let me just give a little quick example, and then I'll cut off once again. And then you're going to, like the other one, you're going to keep on going until every single row is complete. So I'll cut back to when I'm finished. So, oh my god, my hand's stuck. It should, once you're finished with that, it should look like this, just one block behind this. And once you have this down, you move on to the next step, which is going to be completing the back. So you're going to bring it out by 1, like the last one. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then, this is the last part, don't worry. You're going to just bring, oh my god, what am I doing? You're gonna bring all these rows out, and then hopefully you'll get the format. So I'll cut back once I'm done, because I'm actually really struggling right now. I have no clue what I'm doing. So I'll be back once I'm done. Alright, so I got the back part done. So once you're done with the back, it should look like that. And it's quite a long build. I mean, it's not similar to the Great Sphinx of Giza, but it's fine. It'll do. Don't worry. So now, you're gonna move on to the back. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna build all the way up by 5. You're gonna bring all of this out from one block. So just keep on going. So Alright, now once you have this, when it's spread out by 2 rows, you're just gonna fill this big gap in up by 1 block. And I don't know if these things have tails. It's kind of hard to tell since it's mostly buried in the ground. So I'm just gonna leave the tail out. Maybe I'll add one in the future. I don't know. So you're just gonna fill all of this in. And then once you have that, you can move on to your legs. Now, alright, so moving on to the legs, on this side, you're going to go by 1, 2, 3, 4, build out by 5, 3 for 5. Then you're gonna build up by 3 right there, and then just do that. Then you're gonna extend this out by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now, you're just gonna extend this out. And then you're gonna, from here, you're gonna build out by 1, and you're just gonna fill this empty gap. And now, once you have all of this completed, it should look like this. Then, what you're going to do is you're going to build 1, 2, like that, and you're going to build another like that, and you're going to basically do the same thing on the first video. You're going to build these little paw thingies, so like that, and like that. And then you could just fill this in. And now that you've done that, you grab your sandstone stairs and you're just gonna put this all around here. And now you're gonna build the up kind of thing. I don't know. I have no clue. But you're gonna build up. You're gonna break the block, the sandstone that was right there, and you build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're gonna build up by 1 and then break that one and come back all the way over here so it looks like that. And then you just do that, and then you can just break that. And now you could just break these, and there's not really a point of them being right there. You build out right here by 1. And then fill this in. Then you're going to build out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then build all the way up from there. Okay, sorry for the cutout there. I ran into some issues, but you're gonna build out by 1 until you get all the way from over there. And then you're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're gonna do something like this to make it look kind of like a leg. I have no clue. You're gonna build out by 1 like that, or build up by 4. And you're just gonna do that. And then that's pretty much all of it. I well, actually no, you gotta fill up this gap or else it'll look ugly. Ugly as heck. So yes. So that's that one leg, okay. Now it's just the same for the other. So you're gonna Alright, now for the other leg. So you're gonna do the same thing from the other side. So I'm gonna cut out for the other leg just so I can get an idea for the other leg, so I can copy this leg to the other leg. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna explain this in kind of like, you know, because I got this other leg, so you're just gonna want to do the same thing but on the opposite. Hopefully you can do that. Not a bad way. Actually, sounds really mean, but like, so you're just gonna basically do the same thing on the other leg than what I did, but it's like on another side. Oh yeah. So I've noticed a mistake. So, on the on this leg, I looked over there and it was like this. But what it's actually supposed to look like is this. So so you could fix that if you want. I mean, if you like it. I really don't care, but like, same with this one as well. So you could just do that and it'll be a quick and easy fix. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, besides from the back of this head, I don't know what to do to the back of this head. I have no clue what to do. But apart from that, it's done. It's complete. So I'm gonna quickly work on this and say what I'm gonna say as well. It's not too bad actually. I mean, it came out better than I thought. So you can remove this as well. It kind of makes the neck a little big looking. So yeah, it's done. It's complete. It's finished. So it was. I actually thought this would last a bit more episodes, but wow. So it's the end. This is great for ancient Egypt builds and, you know, desert builds and stuff like that. But other than that, hope you guys were able to. I'll release an uncut version like some point in time, but other than that, it's done. So I'll see y'all later.